What is up, everybody? It's your boy Nick Stacks back at it again with another video. Today we are going to be installing a mod that every manual transmission and every manual driver should install on their car unless they're comfortable with the stock version. If you have a manual car, you need to install this mod right now because I guarantee this mod will change the way you drive, shift. It'll help your driver mod 100%. If you guys know what I'm talking about, comment down below. Let's get right into this install video. If you guys are new, subscribe. And if you guys like this video, slap that like button. Turn the lights on in here. And the mod is gonna be changing out your shift knob. See, this shift knob, I hate it. Ever since I got this car, I've hated this round knob. It's not that it's bad, it's just that it's so light and it just doesn't feel like good. So what I did was I upgraded to this right here. This is a MISHIMOTO shift knob and it's weighted and it comes in the black colorway. Alright, so here's the knob, here's what it comes in. Push the limits. The packaging's pretty nice. They got like a foam around it. And this is the knob. It's a nice M on top. And I'm not gonna lie, this knob is very, very heavy. It's a nice weighted knob compared to this ugly 350Z knob that I have in my NISMO. It also comes with, at the bottom right here, adapters so it could fit pretty much any car that you try to put it in. You put the adapter in there, you screw it, and then you screw it on here to see which one fits. I'm gonna switch to the GoPro and I'm gonna record the rest of this. So what you're gonna wanna do first is remove your shitty old, well, I mean, some people like their stock knob. So if you like your stock one, by all means keep it, but I suggest I suggest switching to a weighted one. So this is the knob. It's pretty used and ripped up right here. So yeah, let's switch to this beautiful MISHIMOTO. So we got these three things right here. Let me make sure which side goes. All right. Let me just drop the one that doesn't fit. All right, this one doesn't fit. This one fits. That one's way too big. All right. So this is the one that fits right here. It's pretty much the medium size hole. So the middle one. I'm pretty sure this one, yeah. Oh my God. Of course my dumbass would drop it between the chair. All right. Alright, so I'm gonna screw it into the shift knob first. I think I might need a special mechanic to do this install. Oh my God, the hardest install. I don't know if I could do it. I don't know if I'm doing this install right, guys. Oh my God. My car might blow up. Wow. That was actually easier than I thought. Easiest install, easiest mod to do, and honestly one of the best driver mods you could do is changing your shift knob to a weighted shift knob. And this one's way taller, so I like it. It's actually way better. Because the other one, this piece of dog shit, was way shorter. Shit was like this. It was on chode mode. This one right here is on mandingo mode. I don't know why I'm making Honda noises, but it feels really good. It's nice and heavy. And I could tell I'll be able to shift into gears way better. Wow, that's really nice, I'm not gonna lie. And for reverse, oh, that feels lovely. I'm not gonna lie, when I had this knob, this knob, I would put it into reverse and I wouldn't know if it pushed down or not because this knob was so butt. But this, you can kind of hear it when it goes down, honestly. But I'm really liking this shift knob. MISHIMOTO, you guys did a good job, even though this knob is kind of pricey. Let me see if it has it on the back. No, it doesn't. But yeah, the knob was like, I think, $41. Yeah, $41 on sale. Usually I think it's like $45. I highly recommend, if you guys do any type of real driving, street racing, track, drag racing, upgrade your shift knob. No matter how much you like your stock one, like this one is way lighter. This one is super heavy and I could just tell, like, I'm shifting like a demon. All right, let me chill out before I fucking mess up my transmission. But yeah, I could just tell this one's way better. Like I said, you don't have to get the MISHIMOTO shift knob. Any weighted shift knob would do the same job. So this is how the shift knob is looking. It's a black weighted MISHIMOTO shift knob. In the sunlight, it kind of looks like it's black chrome. But when the car windows are up and it's dark, it's definitely a black color. MISHIMOTO sells other colors to this knob. They just released a bunch of colors for this knob, but I went with the black so it could match the interior of my car. Yeah, sorry for that. That's getting repainted real soon. Honestly, a lot of people like the round shift knobs, but I like this one because it's sleek and it's tall. My other shift knob, the stock one I was in the Z before, it was shorter and it was round, and I didn't really like it because my hand used to be so low and I would have to like rest my arm right here, and I didn't like that. But now, like, this one is nice and tall, so I know when I'm either street racing or like just daily cruising, it's gonna be super nice and easy to shift. This will definitely help you out in the long run, and this will definitely upgrade your driver mod. Even though, like, it doesn't really sound like a big difference to driving, I guarantee the weighted shift knob will make things 10 times easier to shift while you're doing any type of activities. I can already tell once I take this for a test drive and I bang some gears with it, I'm gonna be shifting like a god. All right, anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys slap that like button. If you guys are new, subscribe to the channel. It's your boy Nick Stacks. I'm out. Peace.
See, you my dog for real. It's guaranteed we gonna eat. See, by any means, he feeling froggy, tell the nigga leap. I put another hole in one you feet. Since I started rapping, I can live in peace. All of this feather really got me weak. I'm trying to do better, but it's getting deep. See, I'm from Toronto.